Do you remember the Dutch interrogative word hoeveel from lesson 5? It means how much. But how should one answer? I'm sure you want to be able to count your money. Well, or anything else. Hey, there is no time to sleep. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. This is Bart de Pau with 1000 most common words in Dutch. A course in basic Dutch vocabulary with exercises on learndutch.org. There are a total of 40 lessons, with each lesson containing 25 of the most frequently used Dutch words. In lesson 7, we learn to count. 0, 0. 1, 1. Please note that we pronounce it differently to the indefinite article een, but we write it the same way. When the number 1 is meant instead of the indefinite article een, in written form we can stress the difference by putting acute accents on the vowel a. So, een huis versus één huis. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Now let's combine this with our vocabulary knowledge of the previous lesson. One form of the plural noun you already learned. 1 fiets, 2 fietsen, ending an. But there are more possible endings. 1 winkel, 3 winkels. You see, it gets an S. And then we have 1 auto, 4 auto's. It gets apostrophe with S. Now, these 3 endings are the main plural noun endings in the Dutch language. Let's practice some more. 1 boot, 5 boten. 1 bus, 6 bussen. 1 weg, 7 wegen. 1 halte, 8 haltes. And this is the Amsterdam Metro Network. 1 vliegtuig, 9 vliegtuigen. 1 haven, 10 havens. Why is there only one O in boten and double S in bussen? Why does the short vowel a in weg changes into e in wegen? And what about other possible endings for plural nouns? That's what I will explain in #Dutch Grammar in lesson 12, in lesson 44 and in lesson 45. Let's continue. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. For the numbers 15 through 19, just like in English, you add 10 to the base number. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21. And this is difficult because we say it differently than in English. We say the last digit first and add an before the digit in the tens place for values from 20 through 90. 21. 21. Here are some samples that help you understand it better. So, what would be 29? 29. 29. 30. 30. So, what would be 34? 34. 34. 40. 40. 50. 50. For the numbers 50 through 90, we take the numbers 5 through 9 and add tig. 50, 60, 70, 80. And this one is different because we add a t in the beginning. 80, 80, 90, 100, 100, 200. For the numbers 200 through 900, we take the word from 2 through 9 and add 100, just like in English. So, what would be 700? 700, 700. 1000, 1000. The same applies to digits in the thousands as to the hundreds. You take the number before the 3 digits and add 1000, 1000. 60,000, 60,000. Please note, we don't write a comma, but rather a dot. Miljoen, miljoen. And that's the number of views I had on my YouTube channel last year. Can you imagine? But it would be even better if this were our number of likes. So help us to get to that number and give a thumbs up and share my videos if you think they are helpful. Well, at least now you know this number in Dutch. And my recommendation, if you want to practice the numerals, take part in a Dutch bingo, like we do here at our Dutch summer school. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly videos to learn Dutch. Tot ziens, tot les. And now you know how to say this number in Dutch. Indeed, 8. Tot les 8.